Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to make objects shiny in Blender. After starting Blender, we can go to Add Object, go to Add, Mesh, and I will use UV Sphere. So, UV Sphere is added. Next, I right-click and use Shape Smooth to make smooth looking. To make it shiny, we can switch to Material Preview, and then we can select the object and go to Material Properties, and then add a new material. Okay, and then I want to make it obvious. I change it to blue color and change it to brighten. I pick this blue. If you want to make it shiny, we can change roughness. To reduce its value, I will use 0.1 to make it shiny. So this is how we can make objects shiny in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video. Bye bye.